What's up, YouTube? My name is Ty, financial professional. Welcome to my channel. Alright, my bad, guys. Getting started about 10 minutes late here. Some technical difficulties, sound not working, but we're all good to go. So appreciate everyone for being here. What up, Morty and Mark? What's up?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Appreciate you guys as always. Alright, let's jump right into some live rainbow bearing. We got some action going here. Alright, let's see what we got. What's going on? Scanner doesn't want to work now? Come on, bro. Alright, there we go. So, IFBD, I currently have an order in for that. IFBD at 43. So, it's currently at 41. Up quite a bit. It's up like 60%, 50% post-market here. Closed at 11%, and it's up to almost 60% now post-market. So, bid is currently 40. Ask is about 41. So, I'm going to try to get this at 43. Hopefully it gets there. If not, you know, whatever. But, yeah. Excellent entry at 43, I think. That's where I'm trying to short this one. So we'll see if that hits. That is the major mover right now. Yeah, that's really the only thing moving post-market here. IFBD. So we'll keep an eye on that. It's actually pulling back a little bit now. But could be a bull flag. Actually, it does look like a bull flag. So hope it does not reject. Looks like it wants to break out here. Don't want to jinx it, but might be due for a breakout here. Next leg up. So it is now, it just hit 41, and it's probably going to blow past that. Yeah, it just blew past that. 42 is the resistance now. So yep, does in fact look like a bull flag and is currently breaking out of the bull flag. So 41 bid, 42 ask, and let's get a little bit more here. 43 and give me the fill, bro. Come on. Should we just watch this for a second or what? Let's watch this for like a minute. But right there, so close to getting a fill. Alright, what up, Koya? What's up?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Thanks for being here, dude. Any plays? Yeah, right here. IFBD. Currently, about 42 resistance. Trying to enter that at 43. And besides that, yeah, ICCT. I'm trying to short that at 1050. Well, I'll take anything above 1050, to be honest. It's currently still mooning at 16. What's going on with that? Just some stupid SPAC stuff, you know. Some stupid ape SPAC stuff. They're gonna merge. They're gonna merge with FG. I don't even know, bro. So iCore Connect merging with FG Merger Corp. So this is still a SPAC, right? It definitely looks like it. So we know how this goes, you know, pump and dump, and may not be done pumping just yet. Very low float, hard to short, but you know, if you can, you already know what's gonna happen. Rinse and repeat every single time with every single SPAC. So yeah, you know, it's mooning right now, but you guys better start hitting the sell button. Not financial advice. And yeah, shorts want to get in. I want to get in here. I'll take 1050, but it's still not filling me. So shorts desperately want to pile in here for sure. It's heavily shorted. So I mean, I guess in a sense we're... Oh, did I get filled? Wait a minute. Whoa, why'd it get canceled? No way. Bruh. No way. Do I not have margin for this? Alright, it appears I have margin. Should I close something out right here? It literally just canceled my order because I guess I have too many plays open at the moment. I guess I gotta close something out here. Well, I did pretty good on AEON already. I'll try to close that. May already be too late. But I'm going to try to close out some plays here. So I did open up a few more plays, like right at power hour, and you know what? Maybe it's good because it's still going, IFBD. So I got partially filled for 3,000 shares at 43. So I'm gonna try to dump something here and add to that. So I'm trying to dump ARAV. AEON and GTEC. Alright. It's already coming back down to 41, so damn, bro. Well, you win some, you lose some. I actually do hope that stays up until I can short that back. Anyway. So, yeah, IFBD looks like a pretty good short to me. Not financial advice, but 43 entry would be a pretty good entry. And it's already pulling back, so we'll see what happens. Alright, let's do another scan here. So yeah, it's pretty much just IFBD. And maybe we'll keep an eye on this ALLR. But pretty much just IFBD. I mean, ALLR is picking up action here. I hope this doesn't screw me on margin too. Alright, I'll put an order in for this. $237. I have a lot of buying power, but it's not letting me buy anything or short anything. That kind of sucks because IFBD is already pulling back. Damn, bro. Well, I guess that's how it goes, huh? Problems of a short seller. They can limit your margin, and then you can't make plays you want to make. Anyway, so, yeah, let's get back to the show here. It's 420. Make a wish, guys. Alright, so IFBD holding 40-ish, but, that's pulling back. That kind of sucks. Oh, well. Alright, back to the intro here. Alright, cool. So, back to the intro. Spent like 10 minutes just live rainbow bearing there. Partially filled on IFBD. Wish it was a full, but whatever. try to sell GTEC here. Okay. And here comes the siren. Sorry about that, guys. Gonna talk over it. So ALLR is up 22% now. So I'm not gonna short that because I got no margin. But if I could, if I would at 237. All right. All right, let's get started here, guys. So today we're doing the show from Tendytown. Tendytown, let's go. So I hope you guys made some fat tendies. Another bullish day, not nearly as bullish as yesterday, but another green day here. Not complaining. And yeah, you know, should have been some pretty easy tendies, even for rainbow bears like myself, which we'll get to in a second here. But yeah, not too much to cover today. Honestly, pretty uneventful day. Not much content. Not much news-wise, trading-wise, or even the YOLOs on Wall Street Bets. So it should be a pretty short and chill show. All right. So as always, we'll be doing our daily stock and crypto reviews. My plays today, and there are quite a few plays. Uneventful day, but I did pick up quite a few small plays here and there. Nothing too crazy, but just trying to cash out now. Damn, ALLR is getting up there, bro. It's at 222. Damn, I really want to short it. Missed opportunities everywhere, huh? It's at 225 now. That's crazy. It is absolutely moving. Well, yeah, keep an eye on ALLR, guys. I think it's a pretty good short coming up here at 237. It's almost there. All right. Should I just take 235? No. I'm trying to cash in GTEC so I could short IFBD. And even AEON, but very low float there. Or maybe even ARAV. Yeah. All right, so yeah, as always, we'll be doing our daily stock and crypto reviews. My plays today, live rainbow bearing. Today for the TA, as you see in the title, we're gonna do AMC, TTOO. Those were number 2 and 3 after SPY. 7,000 and 6,000 mentions. We can also do GNS. That has 5,000 mentions. That's pulling back, and also ICCT, even though there's not much to analyze there. But sure, we'll do all 4 of those. AMC, TTOO, GNS, ICCT, and anything else you guys want me to look at, put in the chat. So all of those are in the green, pretty deep in the green, except for GNS. But yeah, we'll get to all of that, and then we'll finish up with our YOLOs. So it's already 4:25, but yeah, we shouldn't. So we're pretty behind, but there's not much content to cover, so we should be out of here probably before 5:15 today. We'll see. But all right, appreciate everyone. Sorry for the late start, but we're good to go. And before we begin, please like the video, please subscribe, and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. All right, ALLR is now, it got there. Take a look at it here. It did in fact get there, hit 249. Man, I want to short this so bad. This sucks. Oh, really? How do I not have buying? That makes no sense, bro. It's only giving me 100 shares. That's funny. I can't short this. And IFBD is heavily shorted now, so go figure. Go figure. Man, this is about to crash too. I know it. All right. Trying to be creative here. GDC, can I cash this? No, I shouldn't. Well, you know what? I just hope these two stocks, ALLR and IFBD, stay up so I can short them, and then they can tank. But ALLR is actually going nuts here, so maybe I can get in tomorrow. And IFBD is holding 40, so don't know what's going on there. But you know, I'm not complaining. What was that? I cashed something, I think. Alright, GTEC I'm cashing here. Nice. So I'm getting filled on that. And at least AGIL is coming down now. We'll get to all of this in a second here. The ALLR coming back down now. Alright, I pretty much just cashed all of GTEC there. Alright, let's try to put in orders here. So we need 3,000 more here. Alright, I just freed up some buying power. Let's try to... We're spending a lot of time rainbow bearing here. My bad, guys. But, you know, trying to get this money. So it did let me submit that order. Alright, I'm trying to submit some orders here. Still not letting me short ALLR, but I was able to put in an order for IFBD if it even gets back there. Yeah, this kind of sucks. So there are plays to go for that I just can't go for at the moment. Oh, man, and IFBD is already down 10%. Bruh. Ugh. Well, hopefully it, you know, reverses here. You know what? If not, whatever. I'll just take the tendies. But, man, missed opportunity there. And, yeah, ALLR is still going. So I do hope this stays until tomorrow, and I can short this. ALLR. Shares are not going down, bro. Do you think it's shady? For what? You're not going down on what? Dude, everything is shady in this market. It's just what it is. You know, manipulation, it's rigged, whatever, you know, it's true. But it is what it is, you know? It's part of the game. So, is it shady? Most likely, yeah, but it is what it is. On ALLR. Well, the fact that I have $500,000 of buying power, and it's not letting me short this, is shady in itself. So, I think that's actually IBKR trying to protect me and the other Rainbow Bears. So yeah, there's definitely, something going on here. There's a reason why IBKR does not want to, you know, give you the shares. ARAV. Okay, I just actually... I'm cashing that now. That's down to 17. Alright, can I... Does it have more buying power now? Alright, let's see if I can do it now. $37. Still not letting me do it. Interesting. Well, alright, so I guess I'm not getting ALLR, but maybe I have a chance on IFBD if it dead cat bounces here. But I did free up a bunch of liquidity just now. Man, I thought ARAV... Where'd all these shares come from, bro? Alright, so I'm trying to dump ARAV here. And also AEON. Alright, my bad, guys. We're spending way too much time here. But I'm just live rainbow bearing. I mean, I guess there's not much to talk about anyway today. But yeah, so it's still just the IFBD and ALLR. That just hit. So I'm finally freeing up some buying power here, and hopefully I can get a better price on IFBD. But it already may be too late for that. It's already breaking down. Well, either way, if it's a bull flag or not, you know, it's either attendees or better price. So, I guess I can't complain too much there. Win-win. I will cover this at 33. So either I cover at 33 or it goes back up to 43 and I get filled. A full fill. Alright, so cashed out GTEC and ARAV. Alright. So I guess we can't really do anything else. Post-market here. But yeah, guys, keep an eye on IFBD and ALLR. Alright, what up, Beelzebub? What's up? Any updates on moving? I'm supposed to move in to my new place tomorrow. I officially get the keys. As for my studio, it's probably gonna take a while to get all my equipment over there, so I'll probably still do the show at this place for a week or two or something. But yeah, I'm officially gonna move in to my new place tomorrow. Or I get the keys at least, but it's gonna be a transition period where I'm, you know, moving stuff back and forth. So I'll probably still be... You still hear the sirens probably for another week or two while I move my studio over to my new place. Super exciting. Yes, you know, I mean, for me, I'm literally in the same neighborhood, just places a little quieter, a little nicer. But yeah, you know, pretty happy about that. Thanks for asking. And I appreciate you as always, Beelzebub. Please smash the like button, guys. Please, thank you. I'm all in LiDAR at 25.8 tie. Couldn't wait any longer, lol. You want me to check it out? I have no idea what's going on there, but we can check that out when we do the TA. All right, cool. so we spent about 25 minutes on the intro and just chilling here, rainbow bearing. So let's actually get to the show now, and the IFBD is back up to 40, so I guess that's good. I don't know. All right, let's go, guys. Yeah, post market just IFBD ALLR. We'll come back to this. Let's get to my plays today, and quite a bit going on, even though today was uneventful, but good amount of trades to do. Anyway, let me fix this real quick. AXLA, AGIL, TTOO. Okay. And there goes ALLR. Good. Of course. Alright, let's do it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 plays, and still holding 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. 11 plays, still holding 9. Alright, let's do it. So ADIA down 185. RENB, big good today, down 960. Man, I hate this stock. I got too greedy. It's my fault. But, yeah, I could have covered this for break even, and I got too greedy, and I let it run, and now it's, down like 150% on that. So, and it just keeps running. You know, this is unbelievable stuff. Everything's just squeezing lately. You know, I'm not really getting wrecked, but I'm not really making too much either. But yeah, RENB up 960 today, or down 960 today for me. Go. Hopefully that turns around. I just really hate that stock. I should have been out of there break even. Now I'm down like over 4K. This is so stupid. Anyway, rant over. Timber up 220 there. VFS still slowly bleeding, up 450. GDC up 230. AXLA up 530. AGIL down 190. TIO break even. AEON shorted this right before market close and trying to cover that actually. Bid ask is pretty wide at the moment, but yeah, up 560 or excuse me, 360 there. GTEC just covered that for what's 8 times 1600. Made a small little scalp there. Made $130 there, not bad. I'll take it. ARAV didn't make much there either, but I tried. Actually walked away with a little bit of profit, so not bad. Averages. Yeah, not bad at all. And yeah, and then just shorted IFBD. Gotta add that too, but that's a partial fill. Okay, so overall, a lot of plays today, lot of stuff going on. And I'm actually up almost 900, 850. Let's call it 850. So, you know, not too bad. I've been grinding a lot lately. It has not been easy. It hasn't been $1,000, $2,000 like it usually is. It's been, you know, very volatile, couple hundred every day. So, you know, I'm still making tendies, but it's definitely been a lot more of a grind than usual. But you know, that's how it goes, and in time, all the squeezing, this nonsense will stop, and should be pretty easy going again. But I'm having lots of fun. You know, it's never fun losing money, but I am somewhat of a degen, so I find it entertaining, as long as I'm not losing. Okay. Anyway, so up 850 today, and counting. Cool. All right. So IFBD is down to 38 now. Man, really, really wish I got the full fill there. How unfortunate. Oh well. Alright, cool. So let's do another scan and get on to crypto, or get onto the watch list, then crypto in the news. And here comes the siren. My apologies, guys. ICCT is holding 15. Alright, still nothing really going on, so we'll come back to this. Let's get to the watch list. A very wide bid ask on AEON. Alright, let's do it. So the Dow Jones up 0.11%. Nasdaq up 0.56%. SPY up 0.41%. Alright. So yeah, slightly bullish day here in the stock market. Really can't complain. VIX is down 3.94%, which is 0.57 points. So we're at 13.88 VIX now, about 14 VIX, a little less than that, which is really, really good. So market is very stable, and looking pretty bullish. All right. So let's get to the watch list here. Let's start on the red side. Not too much in the red. Not much price action either. Mullen's down, go, of course. Don't see any value. Crypto is down. Crypto stocks. Wells Fargo is down 1%. Meta's down 1%. Coinbase. Discover, Bank of America, JP Morgan. So it looks like financials are down. Crypto is down. And some other random stuff. GM, Ford, Disney, Tesla, Costco. But really not much in the red here. Yeah, crypto and financials down the worst, and some very minor red stuff here. So not much going on the red side. Definitely more growth / memes in the red today. And on the green side, so also not the most amount of price action, but most of the stocks in the green here. At the top, we got AMC up 17%, which we will analyze. Yeah, lots of growth in memes here. Ethereum, PHUN, Tilray, Sundial, CWAC. Value, Domino's is up 2%. Chipotle 1.9. Google 1%. Exxon 1%. So, yeah, value is not that crazy today, but most of the stocks in the green. So, it is holding up the market, although the price action wasn't too crazy. But yeah, it looks like energy, tech in the green here for the most part. So, yeah, not too much going on today. Slightly bearish day. And not much movement, but on specific stocks there were. So, so overall, I think it's a really good day for traders. And really no one should have lost money today. It's pretty hard to lose money today, even as a rainbow bear. So congrats to bulls, apes, boomers, bears, bulls. Plenty to go around today. So I do feel bad if you lost money today. It's pretty hard to do that. IFBD is down to 36, so I don't think that's going back up to 43, but I will take my like $300 profit here. Sure. All right. Man, that sucks. I literally just didn't have enough margin, huh? And now I do, and it goes down, of course. Lost $100, bro. That's not too bad. Yeah, you know, it's really hard to go gut today, I should say. Because I didn't make that much, but, there wasn't any, like, stupid price action. Yeah, down to 36, huh? 35 now. It's going down fast. And so is ALR. Could have made a lot more if they let me short those stocks. Alright, just waiting for Elon Musk's son to pump my stock when he inherits a fortune. Which stock you talking about? SPY is moving up and down like a roller coaster. There was candle on SPY that bought it down $3 on no news. Yeah, like I said, at the end of the day, it's a slightly bullish day, but actually, it's a great day for trading. So I think traders made the most today, but certainly, you know, not a bad day at all for anyone. All right, cool. There's the stock market, guys. Slightly bullish day. Let's do another scan and get onto crypto and the news. Yeah, there's IFBD actually coming back a little bit. I don't know what stock I'm hoping for one of the lucky ones. Oh, I thought you had a specific stock in mind. Well, I hope you find it too, dude. GTEC is... Good thing I covered that. That is actually mooning now. I don't know why. But I literally just covered that to make room for margin. and it's going nuts. So I did short this at 270. And now it's up to $3. So should I reshort it? Bruh. Alright. What is going on? So I shorted at 270 and it's currently at 3. 387? Will it get there? I'm kind of conflicted. Should I reshort this? It's a pretty good entry at 3. I will put in an order for 387. And if somehow that hits, then that'd be stupid. Alright. Ordering for 387. Not expecting this to hit at all, but hey, you never know. So GTEC going nuts here. And actually, IFBD is making a comeback. So yeah, I'm glad I shorted that at 262 because that jumped up to $3 now. It actually almost hit 350. Hit 330, so maybe it will hit 380. You don't know. Never know. And IFBD back up to 38. So, alright, cool. Alright, another scan, then crypto and the news. When he makes a small multi-million-dollar investment in some random stock, some penny stock, and it moons, and he says it on Twitter, or X, my bad, X. Alright, so let's get to crypto and the news here. I think I'm just going to invest in 200 of the smallest penny stocks like that one famous investor. I don't know who you're referring to, but that's not a bad strategy. I'm not saying you should or shouldn't do that, but when you do that, you know, most of them are going to fail. I think that's known, but some of them will hit, and those will make so much money that it will make all your money back and more. That's essentially what I did in crypto. I just bought a bunch of poop coins, and then 10 of them hit or something. A few of them hit. The rest went to 0. But not a bad idea at all, dude. Good luck there. But I would still have your SPY and ETFs, stuff like that, QQQ and whatnot. All right, IFBD is actually back up to 39. Interesting. All right, let's get to crypto and the news. All right, 1 second here. There's only one article, so this shouldn't take too long at all. All right, let's go. So here's crypto that is down 1.97% today. So after a massive rip, crypto finally pulling back here. To be expected. Let's check it out. So Bitcoin down 1.36%, pushing 27K again. Ether down 1.55, Binance 1.4, XRP 2.4, Cardano 4, Doge 2. Toncoin is up, but yeah, pretty much all the values in the red here. Not too bad, but I see a whole bunch of red, not too much green. So let's sort this out. Have the talks of a recession gone away? Haven't been paying attention because the school started. Hasn't gone away, but the fears aren't nearly as bad. The Fed hasn't said like no recession, but they say inflation is. It looks pretty bullish from here. So not totally. It hasn't gone away, but honestly, to me, we've been out of a recession. All this recession talk, like we were just in one last year, and this year we're coming out of it. So personally, not financial advice. I think we're already out of a recession. But for some reason, people still think one is coming. So, generally speaking, the consensus is that we should be okay. No recession. I feel pretty bullish about it. I think we've been out of one. But hey, you never know. Do you think we should short GTEC? Looks like it's coming down. Well, at this price, no. Because I initially got in at 270. So the shares are actually going up. So there's something shady going on here. I'm gonna say no. I have my order in for almost $4, $3.87. If it doesn't hit that, not going for it. But something shady is definitely going on here. So I'm glad I didn't even want to cover that on purpose, but I shorted at 270, out at 260. But I would just keep an eye on that. If it keeps going up tonight and tomorrow morning, then consider a short. But right now, I don't know, bro. Something's going on here. All right, the bid ask on IFBD is getting pretty wide. All right, cool. Let's get back to crypto here. So green side, we got a whole 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 coins in the green. So 10% of the coins in the green, 90% in the red. Biggest gainer is XDC, up 7%. Toncoin is here, really the only value coin. So yeah, not much happening on the green side. And let's, just for good measure, take a look at the red side. Damn, AEON is coming back. That sucks. Probably got to cover AEON. Alright, yeah, red side. So not too much price action here, but 90% of the coins in the red. Not so much price action, but a lot of value. So biggest loser is actually ETC, down only 5.3%. But there's that. Solana, Hedera, Chainlink, Cardano, Avalanche. A lot of value here. Polygon, Bitcoin Cash. So that would do it. Not much price action, but most of the coins in the red and a lot of value in the red. And value is definitely holding down the market today. So yeah, crypto down 2%. That's pretty bearish. But honestly, just a healthy pullback, it seems like. But yeah, overall, slightly bearish day, stock market, bearish day, crypto. So, honestly, if you're in both, it should have been kind of neutral. But, yeah, let's give it the JPAL anyway. Money printer. All right. I did not mean to hit that again, but sure. All right, cool. Let's get to the news today, and there's only one article, not much going on. And that is about the job report. Jobs report. Let's do it. What the hell is this? CNBC Financial Advisor Summit, October 12th, 10 a.m. Register. The CNBC Financial Advisor Summit. They're inviting me to this? Interesting. Wonder what that's about. All right, let's do it. U.S. job growth slowed sharply to 177,000 in August, below expectations, ADP says. Okay, So Wednesday, private employers added 177,000 jobs in August, and that's under the expected of 371,000 jobs. Oh, no, so July was 371,000, August was 177,000. So that's down a lot. That's down by over half, bro. And economists were predicting 200,000 jobs. So yeah, pretty short from that. Way below July and below expectations. So that's actually not good. That would signal to the market bearish. But for whatever reason, the market is still pumping today. Not pumping, but it was green. So the market doesn't seem to care about this too much. Probably factored in, but overall the market still doesn't really care. But yeah, the jobs report, they are slowing down. The hirings are slowing down, like pretty significantly. So we should take note of that. All right. So yeah, that's really all the news today. Not much going on there. Dropping the connection. Hold on. Come on, OBS. All right, looks like we're good again. So let me pull up the YOLOs here while we do some TA and rainbow bearing. All right, let's do another scan here. Bro, ICCT is up to 17 now. That's up 200%, 207%.
Bruh.
So I think we all know how that's going to end, but for right now, the shorts are getting squeezed there hard. Yeah, GTEC. Maybe I should have shorted at 3, huh? That came down quite a bit. IFBD holding 37, 38, and ALLR still holding, but nothing new going on here. So let's get to some TA. So this looks like a bull flag got rejected. It's up 1,800%. Yeah, from the bottom, I guess. But today it's up 200. Insane stock. Totally insane stock. And I guess we'll analyze it real quick in a couple minutes. But you guys should probably not buy that at this point. Just saying. There were 60K shares available in the morning for ICCT. I did see it yesterday, but I wasn't going to go for it. because I just didn't like the entry, but uh, but I do like the entry of $10, 10.50, and I was trying to short it there, and still not getting filled. But yeah, RIP to whoever shorted this morning at whatever at 11. Actually, that's not even that bad. That's like 10% down. But yeah, this is we all know how this is gonna end. Not good. So give me my shares, bro. Okay. So let's do AMC. Oh, I'm looking at AMC. I'm stupid. My bad. Oh no, I lied. I'm looking at AMC. What was it? ICCT. All right. So this morning it was actually at 2. We'll just call it 2. And now it's at. Oh no, this was not this morning. This morning this was at 8. 8, not 2. Yesterday this was at 2. Imagine shorting this yesterday. Go. But this morning this was at 8, and now it's at 18, 19, 16. So it 100% in from the morning here. So yeah, go. Glad I did not get filled in the morning. Glad I didn't try to go for this. And ALLR is making a comeback. Anyway, so let's do AMC, TTOO, ICCT, and I think one more, GNS. And anything else, put it in the chat right now, guys. It is now 5:03. So yeah, we've spent most of the time just chilling here, and not much content to cover, but you know, always a pleasure just Rainbow Bearing answering your questions. All right, so LiDAR. All right, got you. So AMC. So if you guys have been paying attention, last week I said that looks like a pretty good buy coming up. Not yet, but you know, should start to bottom out, catch support soon, and then you want to enter. So it does appear like this caught support at 1070, which was the low yesterday, and it is starting to reverse. So RSI is currently at 25. Let's be very clear. Do not buy and hold this. This is not an investment, a long-term investment. But if you want to swing trade this on the long side, I can't support that. So yeah, currently the current price of 12.73, oversold, undervalued according to the RSI. Cup and handle, triple gap down. Yeah, low RSI. A lot of bullish indicators here. So yeah, definitely don't short. Missed a chance. And yeah, I do like the entry of like anything 13 and lower. And this should come back up to 16, or excuse me, not 16, 19, 25, and maybe even 49 to fill the gaps. But yeah, so same thing. I said hold on, wait for the bottom to come in. The bottom looks like it has come in. So yeah, I can't support buying this here and holding until 2025. I think that's pretty good sell. Maybe even 50, but looks like a pretty good swing trade on the long side. Okay. TTOO. Can you do Fubo? Sure. TTOO. So this one I thought was done, but apparently not. But it did fill the gap, and it is pulling back. So maybe it's a dead cat bounce. So this one, RSI 49, so current price 32 cents, fair market value. MACD is bearish, aftermarket action bearish. Gap filled, that's bearish. Kind of looking like a head and shoulders right now. Pretty ugly head and shoulders, but it is a head and shoulders. There is this bull flag here that it's still in the bull flag technically, but it's about to break it to the downside, so that's bearish. And it's a meme stock, so I think we all know fundamentally it's trash, and this will long-term pull back. So yeah, I'd avoid this one altogether. Hard to say where it's gonna go from here, but most likely it's at the downside. But definitely better opportunities to go long and short, so I'd stay away from this altogether. If you had to choose one side, I'd say go short. Most likely gonna go short over long. All right. So there's that. Let's do ICCT. All right, not much to analyze here, but what the actual hell is going on? It's a SPAC, that's what. So 99 RSI, like literally 100 RSI, way overbought, way overvalued. And it's still going. It's at 16 now, post market. But clearly, this is going to get wrecked. Just a matter of when, not if. So I don't know how high it's gonna pump, but you guys should probably not buy this. And you know, shorting is a little dangerous because it's so volatile. But if you're able to hold through the squeeze, lots of attendees waiting on the other side. So yeah, definitely don't go long. Sell, go short, and this may come all the way back down to 20 cents, literally, because that's where it gapped up. Not saying it will, but a lot of downside to go here. So yeah, looking extremely bearish. Don't go long, go short, and a lot of downside potential. Sell and go short. Okay. Yeah, pretty straightforward here. And there's GNS. So, I'm currently out of this. I covered it yesterday. I should have held, huh? What did I cover? I covered this at like 150, I think. 160? Anyway, so the gap did fill here today. So currently 54 RSI. A little bit above average. And the volume is coming down. It looks like a falling knife right now, to be honest. Not saying it is, but, you know, it's a meme stock. It gamma squeezed, and, yeah, probably a lot of downside potential to go. Don't know how low it's going to go, but it definitely is a falling knife right now. So, yeah, I think this is one you stay away from. It's a decent short play. Not the best. It's average entry and a falling knife, so you should be able to make some relatively safe tendies here going short, but definitely not the best play. So yeah, I stay away altogether. If you had to choose one, long or short, I go short for a swing trade. But yeah, it's pretty much over. Too late to go long, and not too late to go short, but not the best entry. So I'd say swing trade, day trade / swing trade this on the short side is the only way you should play it. Don't go long, sell, short. All right, cool. I think that's all the TA planned. So let's do the stuff you guys want. We got LiDAR, Fubo, Tesla. If you guys haven't yet, smash the like button. Please, thank you. All right, LiDAR. So I am kind of familiar with this stock. I'm not gonna say you should long-term hold this. It still has to prove itself. But based on the TA here, this is catching strong support at 25. Very, very strong support at 25. If it breaks that, this can go pretty bad. There is a gap up at 24, so this may come back down to 24, but clearly 25 is some very strong support. Doesn't want to break that. RSI at 45, so this is pretty fair market value. MACD is bearish. So this appears to be a cup and handle, and 25 is the bottom of the cup right here. Holding very strong. So, I don't think this is gonna, like, absolutely moon or squeeze. It might, because it did back here. But, yeah, there is a cup and handle, so this does have the potential to come back up to 38. Like 47-ish. 57, maybe even 80, but yeah, definitely. I mean, according to the RSI, it's not the greatest entry, but if you look at the chart here, it looks like the bottom, so it's a pretty decent entry and a lot of upside potential. And I say, all right, so I do like this one because there's a lot of upside potential and not too much downside potential. According to the RSI, it's not the greatest entry, but it's not bad at all. Above average, and Yeah, I don't think you can go too wrong here going long, to be honest. Not financial advice, but really shouldn't go lower than 24. Very strong support at 25. Really shouldn't go lower than 24. And yeah, a lot of upside potential here on the cup and handle. So good luck, good luck. Bro, GTEC came to 240? Huh. Never mind, picked up again, lol. Yeah, this is right where it was when I shorted it the first time. So, I am good. This is sketch. So, if it moons tomorrow, I'll go for it, but I'm good on that. Yeah, didn't want a white hat to buy. Oh, something just happened. I think I just cashed out AR. Yeah. ARAV. Just cashed that out at 17. And I'm up 200 on IFBD. Man, I really wish I got a full fill on that. That's so stupid. Because I didn't have margin. Missed out on like 600 bucks. That's so stupid, bro. Well, what you gonna do? All right. LiDAR, Fubo, and Tesla. All right, Fubo. So careful, meme stock here. Fair market value. RSI is at 50 right now. So average entry, definitely not the bottom. Bottom was 2. Looks like a cup and handle. So not the greatest entry, but pretty decent entry at 237 here, and has the potential to come back up to like 265, 320, 385-ish to complete this cup. But this is pretty average, and be careful because there is a gap up at 120, so this may come back down to 120 to fill that gap at some point. But the MACD is bullish. So this one is pretty mixed. It's kind of hard to tell. Mixed signals both ways. Meme stock, I'd just stay away, to be honest. But yeah, be aware. This is extremely volatile, but this may come back down to 120 and may go back up to 380. So kind of a gamble, in my opinion. I'd just stay away. But yeah, this is tendies or wendies. I just stay away. I would not even risk this. But a lot of downside potential and a lot of upside potential. If this breaks $2, this can go really bad. So I wouldn't worry about the downside unless this broke 2. Then I'd be concerned. But yeah, a lot of downside potential, a lot of upside potential. I'd just stay away. It is a gamble, pretty much. All right, Tesla. So obviously long-term hold, yes. There are gaps to fill, like many gaps to fill actually. And there's another one back here at like 215, and gap downs as well. So I'm not sure what you're trying to do here on Tesla, but obviously the way you play this is a long-term hold, and the current price of 257 really isn't the greatest entry. So would have been great at 220. That was a good entry, 220. But that was quickly bought up and back at 257 now. So I would say, yeah, just don't go for this one. Definitely don't short this one. And if you can get this back at 220 and lower, I think that'd be a pretty good entry. But yeah, just buy and hold, average down. That's how you play Tesla. But yeah, this may come back up to 300 soon to complete the cup and fill the gap here. All Alright, AXLA is pulling back. Nice. Alright, so that's all the TA. Let's do another scan and finish up with our YOLOs. So we are doing... It's a pretty long show for having no content to really go over. Just chilling for the most part. Rainbow bearing, analyzing, which is always cool. Alright, so still nothing going on. Still just IFBD, ALLR. So let's finish up with our YOLOs here. Alright, so today we have 5 YOLOs. Really shouldn't take too long. Pulled out the best ones. They're pretty good. Can you look at Rito real quick? Forgot. Let's just finish up the YOLOs first, then I'll get back to that. But of course. Alright guys, let's finish up with the show. We have 5 YOLOs. Gain and loss cord. Should be fun, let's do it. Tesla is investigated by DOJ for some shady project. The news came in today. Alright, I don't think that's going to have too much of an effect. Because of your loyal Tesla apes who just don't care. And this is nothing new. You know, Tesla has been investigated a bunch by the SEC, DOJ, Tesla, and Elon Musk himself. So, just another... I think he's getting sued by the DOJ right now. SpaceX is getting sued. Alright, get this. And I don't mean to be political, but the DOJ is literally suing Tesla, or Elon Musk right now. SpaceX, actually. He's suing SpaceX. The department's suing SpaceX for discriminating against migrants. I'm not kidding, alright? SpaceX is not hiring migrants, aka illegal immigrants. So the DOJ is suing them for discrimination. Are you kidding me? Like, maybe they don't have a degree in aeroscience. Maybe that's why they're not getting hired, right? So, in aerospace engineering or whatever. So, my point is, I don't think it really matters that the DOJ is doing whatever they're doing. They do this all the time. Elon Musk does not care. He's like, all right, F you guys. I'm Elon Musk. You know, he's doing whatever. The SEC literally told him, you can't tweet. If you want to tweet, you got to run it by us first. You know what he did? He bought Twitter. So, I'm going on a rant now. But, yeah. Point is, I don't think it really matters. DOJ, SEC, they can do whatever they want. Tesla's still gonna be there. Tesla's still gonna win in the end. Alright, cool, ran over. Back to the YOLOs. Alright, first one by Heartbleed Hack. 1.5 million plus 1.5 million on 607 SPX 0 data expiration. Alright, so first trades on SPX as a follow-up to my 117k loss yesterday, bruh. Alright, so apparently he was down 117k yesterday. What the hell? And today he's up 100. Today's up 1.5 mil. That's insane, which is 119%. Okay, so, that is very impressive, and I'm very happy for the gain, but what the hell is a guy with $1.3 million doing, YOLOing his whole account like this? Are you dumb, bro? It's like, yes, it worked out. You made a 1.5 million in a day, which is insane. You know, I could never do that. But, yeah. You don't need to risk... You're already a millionaire, dude. You don't need to risk $1 million to make another million. That's just dumb. But in this case, I guess it was smart. So, very impressive. Congrats on the gain. But, to everyone watching, if you have $1 million, don't YOLO $1 million, okay? So, glad it worked out, but could have went really, really wrong. And usually it does go really, really wrong. So, so congrats to you, dude. Enjoy your attendees, and just do yourself a favor. Do not go back and YOLO $3 million, please. So enjoy your attendees. Okay. Next one by Savage. Never had more than 30K at one time in my life. Made that within 7 hours today. Alright, so Robin Hooder, of course. He's up 31K today, 145%. IFBD's down at 35, so I'm probably going to cover that for like $300 gain. Alright, so yeah, whole bunch of SPY calls. Expiring Friday and today. So it's pretty much already cashed out. So he bought lotto tickets and he hit today. No, yesterday actually was the big green day. So all right, dude. Yeah, no skill involved here whatsoever. You could have easily had $0 at the end of the day. Another one where it worked out, but like this could have went really, really wrong. And I really don't encourage anyone to do this. Doesn't have more than 30K at one time in his life. YOLO's 30K. So yeah, well done. More luck than anything. But glad it worked out. Glad they finished in the money or are going to finish in the money. And yeah, dude, enjoy your attendees. But going forward, just don't do anything dumb. Do not YOLO like this again. You know, play it smart. But yeah, congrats. 145% today. 31K on SPY calls. All right, next one by 68 Sting 89. QQQ 0-day expiration calls. Wow. All right, so this was yesterday actually. All these are from yesterday because that was a massive green day. But all right, 370 calls already expired. It was about a 1.5K YOLO, and he's up $8,900, 535%. And you really can't get too much more FD than this. Literally 0-day expirations. Cool. So yeah, 35 calls, and assuming they finished in the money, and yeah, well done, well done. QQQ. Pretty sure that's in the money. Yes. So it's already expired. Congrats, dude. But same as the other guys, obviously more luck than anything. Not skill, so not sure what percentage of his account was. Not sure how much of his account this was. But yeah, practice good bankroll management, make smart decisions, don't YOLO your whole account. Enjoy your attendees, just don't take it too far. Don't do anything dumb. Same thing as all the other guys. This is all luck. This is all luck. Everything we've seen so far. This is not skill by any means. But then the apes will get delusional, think they're geniuses, and then do it again, and then lose everything. Seen it all before. Anyway, so congrats, dude. Up about 9K on 0-day QQQ calls. Enjoy. All right, now we got two more Lost Corns by If You Say So. What happens when you never learn to add a stop loss? Yeah, stop losses are very important, especially in shorting and playing options. But apes don't know what the stop loss is, what the stop loss button is. They don't know what the sell button is. They just know diamond hands, right? So this is what happens when you diamond hands. Not even joking. So he's down all time 45K, almost 46K, 100%. And there's really no green anywhere here. It's just FD after FD, probably combination of FDs and meme stocks. And yeah, there's little spikes here and there, but overall just downtrend until he's out of money. So 45K gone. Rookie numbers. I've lost that in a day before. Okay, so in the past 6 years, he's down 45K. So yeah, literally, it took him 6 years to burn his whole account, bro. You figured he would have learned by after this, right? After year 1. And whatever happened to the whole GME thing? So he was here for GME and AMC, and he still didn't make money on that. That's crazy. Anyway, so Ape's still trying. Been an Ape for 6 years, and he's still trying. Well, I think he gave up actually. So Ape for 6 years, never learned. All right, last one. By parking tickets deleted. I bought puts today. So let's read. I bought puts near the end of the day thinking to myself, no effing way this market could continue to run like this. Little did I know the market had no sellers and it would simply continue. Little did I know the market had no sellers and it simply continued. It slowly continued up its trajectory with no pressure from bears. Y'all let me down big time. All right, so today he's down 10.5K, 42%. So I think he got liquidated. Yeah, I think he got liquidated. From Invesco. Yeah, so Invesco liquidated him, and he's pissed, and he wants some answers. They liquidated you because you're a regard, dude. Might have lost everything if he held, but so he sold against his will. I'd be pretty pissed about that too, but it might be for his own good. But yeah, went all in pretty much on puts, got wrecked 42%, 10.5K, and liquidated, forcefully liquidated. So that is a big go, big go. And yeah, I'd be pretty pissed if they liquidated me, but it's probably in the fine print, to be honest. That's what they're gonna tell you. Like I promise you, it's probably in there. If you do anything stupid, we reserve the right to liquidate you and do whatever. IBKR already does that, so Wait, did Robinhood liquidate him or what? I think Robinhood liquidated him. They always do just shady stuff in general, so. Anyway, so good stuff there. Lost Corn. Alright, guys. ICCT going at 30. Alright, well, let's see what's happening here. So we got one more TA, and let's do another scan and one more TA. Alright, IFBD is back actually up to 39, so good for me. ALLR holding 215. IFBD 39. AEON is at 550 now. 100 shares, 550. Okay. ARAV is going down. Alright, well, nothing really going on. Still just the IFBD that's coming back up, so watch that, guys. And ALLR still holding. There's something here. CPOP, CPOP. I think that's a Korean stock, if I'm not mistaken. We'll keep an eye on that one. CPOP. But alright, so one more TA. Or is it Rito? ICCT is pushing 19 now. Yeah, that's insane, bro. So, we'll see where it ends up at the end of the day, but it's squeezing. Alright, so what is it? RETO. Alright, so last TA and we're out of here. Wow, what the hell happened here? Go. Alright, be careful. The gap did not fill yet at 25. This may come back to 25. But I don't know what happened here. Big but this is catching support now at 80-ish. Actually, the RSI still is at 37, so that's not quite overbought, oversold, and undervalued. MACD is bearish. Aftermarket action is bearish. Yeah, so it would seem like it's a good buy, but actually it's not. Not yet, at least. So, hopefully 80 is the bottom, but it may not be, to be honest. So, I don't like this one. I have a bad feeling. I mean, it's a pretty decent entry at 106. But yeah, pretty scary stuff. Gap up here and aftermarket action. Just not good indicators. I don't have a good feeling about this. So maybe if it comes down to 25, that'd definitely be a good buy. But here at this price, I'm just not too convinced just yet. So I think this is better off staying away. You're better off staying away from this. I'd go long at 25, but if not, I'd stay away. So got wrecked, but still a decent amount of downside to go. Still a decent amount of downside potential. So a lot of upside potential and still a lot of downside potential. So I just pass on this one. ICCT is pushing 20 now. All right, cool. I got to, well, TMI. Anyway, so that is the show for today, guys. So it's 5:33. We got started 10 minutes late, but yeah, pretty long show, hour and a half about. And there was really nothing to cover. We didn't have any content. We had like one article to cover and 2 TAs, but did a lot of rainbow bearing. Did a lot of TA and had fun with the YOLOs. So yeah, really short, not a short show, but really chill show today. Always pleasure when there's not much to do and we end up going like an hour or two over. But yeah, guys, hope you guys enjoyed. So pretty good tennies today, and we're back at it tomorrow. If anything else happens, I'll put it in the chat in Discord. And if not, I'll see you guys back there tomorrow, and back here when the market closes. All right. Cool. Yep, I think that's it. I figured you would like that chart, lol. Yeah, it's pretty interesting. It's very dangerous, tell you that. I'm staying far away, but good luck to the apes there. All right, guys, that is the show for today. So hope you guys enjoyed. Please smash the like button before you get out of here, and yep, that's it. So let's get out of here. Thanks everyone for watching today. I appreciate you guys. Please like the video, please subscribe, and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. I'm Ty. This is Smarter Gambling. See you guys tomorrow. Peace out.